Your colors look dull, and no matter how much time you spend coloring, they still feel lifeless. And it's not because you're bad at coloring, you're just making one simple mistake. You are trying to control 3 color variables at once. First, I'll show you how to simplify this so your colors immediately start making sense. Then I'll show you a secret color trick that makes them reach in seconds. Watch this. Color has 3 components. Value, meaning how light or dark it is. Saturation, it's how vivid or gray it is. And hue, it's the actual color, red, blue, yellow, and so on. To get a perfect color, beginners usually make a crucial mistake. They try to guess all 3 components at once. But here's the problem. There are too many variables. That means too many chances to fail. So let's simplify this. We keep only value. Wait, how can we color without color? Here's the key. What actually makes objects look believable is how their surface handles light. Look at this gold statue. Why does it show so many vivid colors? That's because of its material. And here's the good news. You don't need to memorize hundreds of materials. You just need to understand 2 material types. The first one is highly reflective materials, like glass, metals, and so on. Now let's turn on grayscale. Highlights here go almost pure white because they reflect the light source, and shadows go near black because the surface also reflects the dark objects around. And all that means that highly reflective materials will have a wide value range. The second type is low reflective materials like clay, wood, or fabric. Highlights here stay darker and shadows stay lighter, so they have a narrow value range. With this, you can paint any material you want, so it looks believable. And now comes the fun part. How do we turn this into rich, vivid color in just a few clicks? While working with color, it's crucial for me to see true to life tones. That's why I'm using Huion Canvas Pro 24 Gen 3, which even comes with its own color calibrator, and it genuinely changed how I paint. In my workflow, I need lots of space to fit canvas, references, and tools on my screen, and the large 24-inch display helps me a lot with that. Its 4K resolution makes subtle value shifts look razor sharp, which matters while you're working with values. I love the 2 included pens. They have 16K pressure sensitivity and feel precise, like traditional tools. And my favorite part is setting one pen for the line art and the other to painting settings. It's extremely customizable. And to speed up my process, I set all my shortcuts on the included key tile remote. If you are serious about digital painting, check the link below. Now let's turn this grayscale into a rich color. Create a new layer, then fill it with a slightly saturated base color. Switch it to soft light mode and clip it to the original layer. Now open color balance, and here let's tweak the color of the highlights close to yellow, midtones to slightly orange, and shadows to deep dark red. Here's the key. As we go from light to dark, we also shift hue. That's what makes color transitions look so vivid. Next, to add real richness, I create a new layer, set it to color dodge, and softly paint saturated orange in the transition zone. And you can use this exact method in your own illustrations. But to make it truly powerful, there are a few pro tricks you still need to know. I show them in this video. Click it and I see you there.